Hello there everyone. This video will be about a spotted woodpecker. It all started when we were inside. Then we heard a sound. We got out and we saw a spotted woodpecker. That poor thing fell from all the way up there. It was so cute that we made a nest with this ball. 5 minutes later, we decided that it was time to take it. What made us worried is that from the second that we put it in the nest, it did not move a lot. So we gave a piece of bread and a piece of apple. It was also very fluffy. Then we thought of taking it out so maybe it would fly or feel better. But the complete opposite. It just stayed there doing nothing. Its nails are so sharp that it just won't let go to our fingers. We prayed a lot, and when evening came, it flew away.